Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Soprano Recorder is probably one of the most versatile and accessible musical instruments for beginners and experienced players alike, offering a delightful entry point into the world of woodwind music with its simple yet expressive capabilities, making it an ideal choice for solo practice, ensemble playing, or even classroom settings where its clear and pure tone can captivate audiences of all ages. Number 5. Eastar ERS 31BM Soprano Recorder. This recorder is expertly designed for those just starting out. Its three-piece construction allows for easy adjustment to fit different hand sizes, and the mouthpiece is comfortable to use. You'll find it simple to control your airflow for a steady sound. Crafted from high-grade North American maple wood, this instrument is both durable and lightweight. The natural wood is safe to use and produces a clear, resonant tone. Its strong vibration ensures a powerful sound. Experience a pure and warm sound that's perfect for practice, recording, or performance. It's an excellent choice for beginners and has been approved by many players and bands. The smooth, polished surface and mouthpiece are safe for all users, including children. Its classic design is elegant, and it's easy to care for after playing. This instrument comes with everything you need to get started: the recorder itself, a fingering chart, a cleaning kit, and a hard case. Plus, you'll receive 12 months of customer support. What we like. Crafted from premium North American maple wood, this recorder offers a warm and penetrating sound. If you are looking for a durable instrument with a classic feel and a rich tone for practice or performance, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The recorder is easy to play and has a clear, pleasant sound. It comes with a cleaning rod and a soft bag, making it convenient for maintenance and transport. The fingering chart included is very helpful for beginners. Number 4. Eastrock German-style Soprano Recorder Pink. This recorder is specially designed for beginners. Its three-piece structure and adjustable C-hole make it comfortable for various hand sizes. The German fingering is intuitive, making learning music fun and engaging. Enjoy a bright and clear sound that's incredibly easy to produce. This instrument is perfect for developing listening and motor skills while fostering a love for music. Keeping your instrument in top condition is effortless. Its smooth surface and included cleaning rod make daily maintenance a breeze. A handy packing bag is also provided for easy transport. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, this recorder is built to last. It's wear-resistant, waterproof, and lightweight, ensuring a bright, powerful sound suitable for any performance setting. Everything you need to start playing is in the box. You'll receive the three-piece recorder, cleaning rod, fingering chart, packing bag, and thumb rest. It's ready to bring joy to your musical journey. What we like. Made from high-quality ABS material, this recorder provides a bright and easy-to-play sound, perfect for beginners. If you need a durable, waterproof, and easy-to-clean instrument for classroom or casual play, this is a great option. What people say. The recorder is easy to assemble and play. It comes with a cleaning rod and a carrying bag, which is convenient. The sound quality is surprisingly good for the price. Number 3. Eastrock Soprano Recorder C-Key German Style. Experience a bright and clear sound with this beautifully designed instrument. Its special structure allows for comfortable playing, making it perfect for beginners and experienced musicians alike. Keeping your instrument in top condition is simple. With the included cleaning rod, maintenance is a breeze, ensuring it's always ready for your next practice or performance. Crafted from premium ABS material, this instrument is built to last. It's wear-resistant, waterproof, and lightweight, offering excellent durability and a superior playing experience. Its German style and C-key make it ideal for various settings, from classrooms to stages. Enjoy its strong, penetrating sound that's perfect for any musical ensemble. Everything you need is included: the instrument, cleaning rod, fingering chart, storage bag, and thumb rest. This comprehensive set is ready to bring joy to your musical journey. The unique three-piece design allows you to adjust the C-hole position for a perfect fit. The finely polished mouthpiece ensures comfort and optimal sound production. What we like. Constructed with high-grade ABS, this recorder delivers a bright, penetrating sound that's easy to control. If you are a beginner seeking a resilient, low-maintenance instrument suitable for performances and band practice, this is a solid pick. What people say. The recorder is easy to assemble and play. It comes with a cleaning rod and a carrying bag, which is convenient for maintenance and transport. The sound quality is clear and pleasant, making it suitable for beginners. Number 2. Eastar Soprano Recorder ERS 3G1. Experience an explosive force and bright sound with this instrument, crafted from high-grade resin. It's designed to leave your audience in awe. This instrument features a 3-piece structure that's easy to clean and adjust. Its German fingering is school-approved and comfortable for beginners. Enjoy a melodious, pure, and warm sound thanks to its specially designed mouthpiece. It offers easy airflow control and excellent tuning for practice and performance. Make a statement with its elegant appearance and well-polished surface. It's safe and easy to learn, use, and maintain, making it a perfect gift. This set comes with everything you need, including multiple recorders, a fingering chart, cleaning kit, and storage bag. It's backed by a 12-month warranty and great customer support. What we like. This recorder is made from high-grade resin, offering an explosive force and bright sound, and is school-approved. If you are a student or parent looking for a reliable, easy-to-maintain instrument that meets school standards, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The recorder is easy to assemble and play. It comes with a cleaning rod and a carrying bag, making it convenient for practice and transport. Number 1. Eastar ERS 21BN Soprano Recorder for Beginners. Crafted from food-grade ABS resin, this instrument is non-toxic, odorless, and built to last. It's lightweight, durable, and produces a bright sound, ready for any adventure. Perfect for beginners, it features a comfortable, detachable thumb rest for easy handling. Its smart design is school-approved and makes learning a joy. Experience a beautiful, warm sound with its specially designed Baroque mouthpiece. It offers effortless airflow control, perfect for practice and performance. With its polished finish and sleek look, this recorder is as beautiful as it sounds. It's available in various colors and makes a wonderful gift. This all-inclusive package comes with the recorder, a fingering chart, cleaning kit, and a protective bag. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a 12-month warranty. What we like. Crafted from food-grade ABS resin, this recorder is non-toxic, durable, and school-approved, producing a bright sound. If you prioritize safety, durability, and a classic Baroque fingering for a beginner, this instrument is an ideal selection. What people say. The recorder is easy to assemble and comes with a cleaning rod and a fingering chart. It produces a clear and pleasant sound, making it suitable for beginners. The recorder is made of durable plastic, which is easy to clean and maintain. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.